Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel.
1, 2, 3.
Let's start. Open CapCut. Go to New Project. Then go to Stock Videos and add black screen. Select Format 9:16. Then delete end part. Now add audio. Audio link is given in the description. Now write text. Select effect. Listen to the song and write text accordingly. Split in between and write 2. Now write 3. Delete the extra part. Now add animation to text. Go to animation then out and apply fade out to all 3 text. Now delete the song and export. Now go back to New Project and add exported video. Delete the end part. Now add audio again. Now zoom out the video and split in between where the numbers stop appearing. Now add animation to the clip. Go to Combo and apply Distort Right effect to all 3 clips. Now add 14 photos. Now select Format 9:16. Adjust photos to full screen. Now set photos to this time duration. Now add animation. Go to Combo and apply these animation to all photos. Now apply effect. Go to video effect, then slide to love and apply snowburst effect. Apply effect till the end. Now export. Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.